In this video, I will show you how to set up OmniRoute with Claude Code so that you can able to use free AI models with Claude Code completely for free. And here you don't face users limit issues. If you check the provider section, you can see there are lots of provider you can use here. And you can see Claude Code is also available here. In this video, I will show you how to connect Claude Code with OmniRoute completely for beginners, and it will be a step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. I'll close everything so that I can show you from scratch. At first, you will open a browser, then simply type OmniRoute. Then you can just go to this GitHub repository or this website, omniroute.online. Let me go to this website. And here you can see it provided 268 providers on endpoint auto fallback. Never hit limits, never stop building. Okay. So to get started, you will click this start free button. And now you will see this is the way how you can just set up OmniRoute, run it and connect provider and use it completely within 60 seconds. Okay, so at first we need to install OmniRoute. You can see it's a npm command. So to execute this command, you need to make sure that your PC has Node.js installed. If Node.js is not installed, just came to this nodejs.org and get Node.js and install it on your machine. When you have Node.js installed, then you will simply copy this, then open your terminal, PowerShell or command prompt, then paste this command and see npm install -g OmniRoute. If you press enter, it will start installing this OmniRoute package on your machine as globally, and it takes few seconds to complete. We'll have to wait until it's completed. When it's done, you can simply clear this terminal, and now we'll launch OmniRoute. So for this, you can simply type OmniRoute and then press enter. So you will see something like this, and it will redirect to this URL localhost 2028/login. So to access this OmniRoute server, you will have to log in here. The default password is given here. Simply copy this and paste it here and then continue. You will see the exact interface look like this. Okay, at first you need to create an API key, then connect providers, point your client and monitor and optimize. Okay, at first we'll have to create an API key. We'll go to this API key sections and then let me create an API key. We'll choose a name here, for example Claude Test API. Now create API key. This is your API key. Keep it safe and secure and don't share it with others. Let me click done. When the API key is created, then you will go to the provider section and then you will have to search provider. You can see there are different types of provider. So as we're going to connect Claude Code, here we will search Claude, and now you can see, so this is Claude Code. You will click here and now we'll add connection. So click here, it will redirect to the authorization page. Simply authorized with your account. Simply click this authorize. Then you will copy this authentication code back to here and paste the authentication code here and then connect. So right now you can see it's connected. So how to make sure it's connected? Either you can see connected here, or if you go to the home section, you will see Claude is connected and it's now active. Okay. So when it's connected, how to use it? To use it on CLI, at first you need to install Claude Code. You can simply go Claude Code and now you can just click this terminal options. It will redirect to the documentation page. You will simply copy this command and then open a new terminal, paste it here and install Claude Code on your machine. I have already done that, so I will just skip this portion. You will simply install Claude Code by using this curly script. Now, when Claude Code is installed, how to use it? We will open Visual Studio Code or any code IDE you have. Here, you will open a project folder or project directory. So here I will open this test OmniRoute. Right now this is empty folder. You just open a folder here. Then you will have to create a new folder. We'll name it .claude, and inside this .claude, here create a new file, and this file name will be settings.local.json. Then press enter. Look, you can find all of these stuff here. If I want to show you, go to full documentation, and then here you can see Claude Code CLI configuration with OmniRoute. If you go there, you will see this configuration setting is here. You will have to configure Anthropic base URL, Anthropic auth token, and Claude Code enable gateway model discovery. I just followed this documentation as educational purpose. I'll simply copy this and paste it here. But as a developer, I need more enhancement. So that's why I will provide these settings and we'll paste it here. If you need this setting, just leave a comment. I will provide you, or you can pause this video and write exactly what I have included here. Let me close this, and now we'll run our Claude Code. So we'll open terminal, and to execute Claude Code, you will simply command Claude and then press enter. You can see we're using auto based free model from actually OmniRoute. Okay, let's try to execute something. For example, I will say hi, and you can see it's replying. Okay, try to generate some code. We'll say create a Python file to calculate some basic math. If I press enter, now we can see it's using the token to brainstorm then thinking, and you can see the code is created. If I just allow it, you can see basic_math.python file is created, and now this is the proof it's actually working. But here is a disclaimer. Look, we're not using Anthropic's official model. It's a free model and you cannot get the exact performance as Claude provide you. I will suggest you use the Claude Pro plan or Max plan so that you can get better performance and better results. Using free models, it's actually for basic purpose. You can do basic stuff, but when you try for production grade something, you will get exhausted. So this tutorial is not a tutorial for bypassing Claude official subscription. It's actually how you can use free and open source model using OmniRoute with Claude Code.